Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. See children, today we are going to learn next part and this is the last part of our lesson. I hope you are doing hard work at home, you are preparing yourself properly. Okay? So this is the last part of our lesson and that is periscope. What is that? Periscope. So we are going to learn about periscope. Very good. So what is periscope? Do you know about this instrument? Have you heard this instrument name somewhere? No. Okay. See, this is an instrument. This is called as periscope. This is called as periscope. So, this periscope work on the basis of reflection of light. This periscope is work on the basis of reflection of light. And we get the image. Because of the reflection of light, we get the image. For example, students, now I am in one room, okay? And each room has a door. Now suppose there is a door in front of me. So I can see whatever the things are around me, yes. Whatever things are present around me, that I can see, but I cannot see behind the wall or behind the wall who is coming towards me. Can I see? No, even you cannot see. But if I will use the periscope, and if I set the periscope where the door is there, so one part is out of the door and one part is inside. And if I will watch, so without going outside, I can see who is coming towards me. And that is because of only the periscope. So what is periscope? Periscope is a device which gives us higher view than normal. Higher view than normal. One more example. Suppose you are standing here. There is a wall in front of you. Okay? There is a wall in front of you. So because of wall, you are unable to see the things, objects, those are present other side of you. Can you see? No, obviously we cannot see. But if you use the periscope, so with the help of periscope, just you need to hold like this periscope and you have to look through the periscope with one eyepiece. So what will happen, students? You are able to see the things those are present other side of the highway. Easily you can see. So especially this periscope is based on periscope is work on the basis of reflection of light. So reflection is there, and for the reflection mirrors are required. So in this periscope device or is in this instrument, two mirrors are used. How many mirrors, students? Two. One you can see here. This is the first mirror. M1 you can see, and this is the second mirror, that is for the M2. How many mirrors are there? Two mirrors are used in periscope. Sometimes question may ask in any exam also. Okay? How many mirrors are used in periscope? So actually two mirrors are used in periscope and both the mirrors are arranged at 45 degrees. This is also very important. Okay? Both the mirrors are placed at 45 degrees. As you can see here, 45 degree angle is there between both the mirrors, and both the mirrors are parallel to each other. Both the mirrors are parallel to each other. See, 3 points I said. First point, two plane mirrors are used in these instruments. Both it okay, students? Understood? So one mirror is here, one mirror is here. They are placed at 45-degree angle. Now see, these both the mirrors are fixed in one tube. You can use PVC pipe, big PVC pipe. That also you can use. You can rectangle box also you can use for this. So both the mirrors, you see, both in front of the first, this is called the top mirror, this is called the bottom mirror. In front of the top mirror there is a top opening, this is called the opening, and at the bottom also there is a small opening in front of the second mirror. So this is the top mirror, this is the bottom mirror, and there is an opening in front of the mirrors. Now this is what the construction of, or how to make the periscope. Now how we can use this periscope? Actually, see students, there is a wall. Now can you see, this is the wall. This is the high wall, or it is called as an obstacle. बीच में एक बहुत बड़ी वॉल है और आप खड़े हुए यहाँ. You are standing here. So can you see, if you are standing here, can you see this object without any instrument? No, you cannot see. Yes or no? Because there is a wall. There is a wall between you and tree. So you are unable to see because you are here. But one thing you can do, if you use the periscope, you can able to see the object. You can able to see the object which is behind a high wall, which is behind the high wall. Okay, आप ये देख सकते हो, मगर कैसे? आपको इसको देखने के लिए पेरिस्कोप यूज करना पड़ेगा. Then place the periscope in this manner. The bottom end should be down and top end should be up. Okay, so you can manage the distance this. So what will happen, see students? Whatever the light rays are there of this object, these light rays travels in straight line. That already we have learned that all light rays travels in straight line. So these light rays travels, they strike here on first mirror that is placed on top side. Then after this, we know that the plate mirror reflects the light in opposite direction. So afterwards, this light reflected and strike on the second mirror. It goes downwards. Reflected light moves downwards. Then again there is a second parallel mirror which is placed at the bottom of the tube. Again these rays gets reflected in opposite direction. Now who is here? You are here. You are looking through this open end. So you can get the image of an object this way. And this image is obtained because of the reflection of light. Clear, students? So this is called the periscope. Okay? So in submarine also this periscope is used. So this one end is under the water and this one end is above the water to see the obstacles. Those are on the water surface. So what are the uses of this periscope then? There are two uses, students, of periscope. First use, it is used in submarines to see what is going on the water surface. Okay? And the second use, it is used in some gun. Okay? You know, soldiers, they use the different kinds of guns. So some guns have periscope, means they sit in pit. It means khadda, pit, and they use the submarines to see the opponents. Okay? Clear, students? So this is about the periscope. This is very interesting part. Even you can make a periscope model at home. Try to make periscope model at home if it is possible. Okay, make with the cartoon or plastic pipe. Pipe you can use, and two plain, and you can use two plain mirrors. Okay, so with the help of two plain mirrors. Okay, students, with the help of two mirrors, which mirror? Plain mirror. So with the help of two plain mirrors, you can make a model of periscope and can send the photographs also. So this is about the periscope, students. We have completed our lesson number 11 here. So you have to solve the very short answer questions in your exercise. This is your work today. Okay, students? So I'll stop here.